The Harley Davidson Nightster 2026 represents a bold evolution of Harley's modern sport cruiser identity. It blends the brand's traditional soul with a sharper, future-ready design and upgraded engineering. The centerpiece is the updated Revolution Max 975T engine, tuned to deliver stronger low-end torque, quicker throttle response, and smoother power delivery across the RPM range. Whether you ride through packed city streets or open highways, the 2026 Nightster gives a refined yet aggressive performance that feels more controlled and confident than ever. The design of the Nightster 2026 has been made more aerodynamic and compact. At the front, Harley introduces a redesigned LED headlight with a Predator Vision styling, giving the bike a focused and bold expression. Slim LED indicators and a sleeker rear tail lamp complete the sportier look. Lightweight materials are used throughout the frame and body panels, reducing overall weight and improving handling. This makes the bike easier to maneuver around tight corners and traffic while still maintaining firm stability at high speeds. New lightweight rims and an advanced braking system further enhance control and braking power. The riding modes in the 2026 Nightster elevate the riding experience significantly. Rain mode softens the power output and increases traction so the bike remains stable on slippery surfaces. Road mode offers smoother acceleration for daily riding, and Sport mode unleashes the full potential of the Revolution Max engine. Traction control and ABS operate intelligently within each mode, adjusting themselves automatically based on throttle input and wheel speed. Harley has refined the electronics package to be more predictable and beginner-friendly, yet still thrilling for experienced riders. The digital TFT display has been upgraded with sharper graphics and improved brightness, making it easy to read even under direct sunlight. It provides all essential details such as speed, gear position, riding mode, fuel range, and navigation. Bluetooth connectivity lets the rider pair their smartphone for music control, calls, and turn-by-turn directions. The Nightster 2026 embraces smart bike functionality without compromising its mechanical authenticity. The exhaust tone of the Nightster 2026 has also been adjusted. It is deeper and more refined, yet still carries that signature Harley growl that riders love. The reworked suspension system includes improved front travel and a new adjustable monoshock at the rear, giving a smoother ride on rough roads. Long rides become more comfortable, and the suspension balances sportiness with comfort effortlessly. Harley has reduced the overall weight of the 2026 model slightly, improving cornering precision and overall handling. The fuel tank keeps its classic teardrop inspiration but incorporates modern aerodynamic lines. The seat offers enhanced cushioning and support for longer journeys, while the foot peg placement is tuned for a natural sport cruiser posture. The rider sits in a controlled yet relaxed position, making the Nightster suitable for both city commutes and long-distance adventures. The 2026 Nightster comes in new color schemes with bold metallic combinations. One standout option is the Crimson Black Fusion, which blends deep red accents with dark black tones, giving the bike a fierce and premium street presence. Harley has always been known for giving each motorcycle a distinct personality, and the Nightster 2026 expresses a modern, youthful, and street-focused attitude. In terms of grip and stability, the new tire compound offers stronger traction on both straight roads and tight corners. The advanced ABS and dual-disc braking system ensure fast and controlled stopping power, even during sudden braking at high speeds. The bike maintains balance, preventing wheel lockups while giving the rider full confidence in emergency situations. The true strength of the Nightster 2026 lies in its versatility. It feels agile and lightweight in the city, yet powerful and stable on long highways. The updated chassis is more rigid, improving high-speed stability and sharper turning. The Nightster is built for riders who want a mix of speed, style, and modern technology without losing the raw Harley feel. Overall, the Harley Davidson Nightster 2026 is a complete modern cruiser with the perfect balance of design, performance, and digital intelligence. It delivers the iconic Harley essence in a refreshed, future-ready package. This bike stands as a statement of personality, bold, fast, stylish, and unmistakably Harley. For riders seeking a machine that blends aggressive performance with modern comfort and advanced electronics, the Nightster 2026 is one of the strongest and most exciting Harley releases of its era.